Good morning, everybody. Good morning, families. Let's start our day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I hope that you are too. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I hope that you are too. Good morning, everybody. All right, guys. So we are in the unit of plants. Let's review the parts of the plant. Remember, we have the flower, and the center of the flower has seeds, right? Like the sunflower have the seeds right in the center. The dandelion, you guys know dandelion, see? It's right in the center. They have the petals and has the stem, leaves, and the roots is in the soil, right? Remember, the plants, they have a process called photosynthesis, where they take inside the carbon dioxide and they free oxygen for us, right? Plants are very important because they give us air, oxygen to breathe. They give us food, right, for us and the animals. He through with the um, plants fiber, we can make clothes, shoes, boots. We can make hats. It's amazing what plants can give it to us. They gave us oils, right? We can cook with them, like sunflower oil, mustard, the coconut oil, olive oil, and some of them we can even put on the skin to moisturize. Flowers give us that smell, this beautiful aroma, right? That we can make perfumes. We can put it inside of lotions. Even in the on the shampoo, they can put the smells from the flowers, like the lavender, the jasmine, the rose, and there's one here called the rosa. I haven't seen this tiny little flower. Looks beautiful. One thing I didn't know, that from plants we can make rubber. They can make tires and the racers and the rubber band. Plants give us shelter, right? To shelter for us and the animals, a place to live, to protect ourselves. Plants give us medicine. Plants give us paper, like the bamboo. And we have been talking about plant habitat, where the plants live. We find out so many things about plants. That some lives under the water, on the water, some lives on the desert, some other lives, and you can find plants almost everywhere, right? And they came in different size, different shapes, different colors, because plants are living organisms, right? And guys, we have been celebrating Earth Day. They talk about how to reduce, reuse, recycle, and take care of our planet. And do you guys know that the pasta that you eat, the spaghetti, and the pasta for your soup come from plants too? This mother have here some corn. This is from Peru. It's a purple corn. Look at this. It's amazing, right? I wish I could let you guys hold it. And then you can take the seeds out. You can make tea with this. You can make a dessert. These are very different kind of purple corn. And this is popcorn. Look, it's a popcorn seeds. When you put it in the oil, in the pan, in the oven, go pop, 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 pop. You make a lot of popcorns. Another thing is right here, like rice. Rice comes from plants too. And the cereal that you love comes from wheat, and the oats. Everything comes from plants. Remember Ms. Yolanda talk about coffee? Coffee comes from is the seeds of the coffee beans that they ground and they make coffee. Plants are so amazing, right guys? And also Ms. Maida show you my plant. This is a real plant. It's a plant in the soil. I need water and air to grow. And Ms. Maida have a fake plant. It's not real. It's artificial. This is not real. It's made of plastic. Maybe it's made of rubber from the rubber tree, right? I don't know. Guys, we have been talking about plants and has been amazing. This is your last day for plants. We're going to start a new unit. And one thing that we learn about plants is that we have vegetables and we have fruits. And we can eat the flower of a plant, like the cauliflower, right? Or you can eat the roots too, like we have the carrots. Carrots are from the roots of the plant, and the potatoes. We can eat the leaves, like the lettuce or the spinach or the cabbage. That's my favorite. And we also can eat the fruit, the vegetable itself, like the eggplant, the cucumbers. We find out that some plants grow under the ground, like the potatoes, their roots, right? And some are creepers, like the pumpkin and the pumpkins. Look, two different. The squash, they grow on the ground, and some go above the ground, like the corn grows above, right? The eggplant grows around the ground. And we have many different kinds of fruits. Some fruits are in different shapes and they are delicious, right? The melons grow on the ground. Blueberries grow in little tiny bushes. The apples grow in big trees. We have the grapes, they are climbers, right? They grow in a vine. They grow up. And we have talked about different kind of flowers, different kind of leaves, the different kind of seeds that plants have, right? Plants have many different kinds of seeds. Look at this. This is avocado seed. They are small. Look at this one. This is a papaya seed. It's so tiny. We have learned so much about seeds, right, guys? And about plants and how important plants are for us. And one thing that I didn't know about plants that I learned is that plants make, there's a plant named a rubber plant. It can make tires and rubber bands and erasers. I didn't know that. That was something new for me. If you want to tell me there's something new that you learned that you never knew about plants before, let me know. Put your answers. And it's just a question, okay? I'm very curious to know something that you learned that the first time that wasn't, wow, I didn't know plants could do that. Okay, guys, thank you for being with us through the unit plants. Let's continue watching the video. Have a great day, and I see you later. Bye-bye.